everyone, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to decorate your planners. It is the beginning of 2017, so I thought this would be the perfect time to do a planner video just because I know a bunch of you guys have just gotten new planners. Maybe you're planning on getting some planners, you don't know what planners to get, maybe you need some inspiration. So I'm going to be showing you guys this Bando planner. So it's actually a 2016 and 2017 planner. It's 17 months. And the very front of it says, I'm very busy. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I decorate and use this Bando planner. Now, I'm going to show close-ups of everything, what it looks like inside. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, you've already seen close-ups of these, of this planner and what's inside. But I'm going to do some detailed clips for you guys, and then also show you guys how I am going to be decorating my planner. Now, before we jump on into that, I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me and subscribing to my channel, commenting on my videos, following me on other social media platforms, including my other YouTube channels. It really means the world to me. You guys are amazing. So I did want to celebrate hitting over 500 subscribers on this channel, and I figured a great way to do that is to give you guys planners. It's the beginning of a new year and I wanted to give you guys planners. So I'm also going to be giving away 2 planners to you guys. So you'll each win one of the planners that I have. So it's the I Am Very Busy planner from Bando. So one winner will win this, and then a second winner will win this. So 2 winners will be winning this planner. Now, I also wanted to include another item just to add a little something extra, and it is this keychain from the Classy Pink Boutique. I found this through SL Miss Glam because she had so many cute decor items, and all of the keychains on there are so incredibly gorgeous on Classy Pink Boutique, and it's beauty_ba, I believe, on Instagram, and I will link all of her information down below. But it is just this beautiful keychain, which I thought you guys could put on your backpack, on your purse, whatever you guys want, on your keys. It's just absolutely stunning. I'm definitely going to be putting this on a purse. I haven't decided. I'm kind of saving it because I don't have the perfect purse yet. I'm kind of like waiting until I find the perfect purse, and then I'm gonna like tack this on. So I'm just trying to keep it in as good condition as possible. But it just has a macaroon on here, a bow, little ice cream cone, the Eiffel Tower, a pink jewel, and a donut, and it's just absolutely adorable. So I figured that'd be something a little nice and extra that matches with the planner that I could give to you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be including these as well. Now, if you guys want to enter in the giveaway, make sure you check down in the description box for all the giveaway details and rules. Alright, now that we got that all out of the way, if you guys want to see how you can use and decorate your planners, then just keep on watching. Step 1, you will need to grab your planner. So here are some close-ups of the Bando I Am Very Busy planner that I have. It's just a very beautiful pink planner with gold accents. I absolutely love it. Now I'm just going to quickly go through the planner just so you guys can see what it looks like inside. As you can see at the beginning, that it includes some stickers, some important dates. Then of course you have all of the calendars that are included. Like I said before, this is a 2016 and 2017 planner. And then we have like a notes section in the back. Step 2, grab a colorful pen. I'm using this hot pink Sharpie pen, which has a very fine tip. I'm going to start filling in some important upcoming dates. Now this section is called Write Down Some Reasons to Party, so anything fun that you think is going to come up or something that you want to remember, just fill in under the appropriate month of what's coming up. So my birthday, when I move to Los Angeles, my Cruelty-Free anniversary. Let's see what else I'm going to write down. February, Beauty Addict Next Door anniversary. So I'm writing down important birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, whatever is important to you. Then if you flip over to the next page, there is a list of all of the holidays that are in 2017 with the appropriate dates, so you can reference that if you need to. Now we're going to go to the month that I was filming this video. I know we're in February right now that I'm premiering this video, but when I filmed this, it was January. So I went to my January calendar, and this is just an overview of the entire month. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in all of the videos that I posted on all 4 of my YouTube channels on this calendar. It helps me keep track of what I've done, what I'm going to do. So I'm putting in videos I've already posted, and then I can also put in what videos I am planning to post in the upcoming month. I am also using my planner as like a scrapbook of the year, so that we can kind of look back and see what I did, you know, look at all the videos that I posted and what I did, and I think it's just a fun way to keep track of everything. Now we're going to move forward to the bigger part of the calendar. So that was like an overview, but here is where you have more room to write. So on these days, like Monday, I listed a couple of things that I wanted to get done for the day. And by couple, I mean 5 things. So I just kind of use this section as my to-do list for the day. So some days I don't fill in because I'm super busy, or all I'm doing is working and I don't have time to really get anything done. But days like that I have available to me where I'm not working at my 9-to-5 job or my Forever 21 job, I kind of list out what I plan to do to get done for the day. So I kind of just make a list, and then if I've completed the task, I put a check mark next to it. And you can also go to future dates and then fill in anything important. Like eventually I'm going to be filling in Mikey's birthday just because I don't want to forget that. But you can also fill that in those big sections as well. Step 3 is to decorate your planner with stickers. So I'm going to first show you guys what stickers I use that are at the beginning of this planner. So that's awesome, and this planner includes stickers that you guys can use. So if you're on the go, you can kind of go to them and grab things that you need. I will also be supplementing with some other stickers that I got at Michael's. I just grabbed a ladies' night sticker, so I'm trying to go and find the date of when I went out with some of my girlfriends. We just went to a couple of bars and danced a lot. It was a lot of fun. So I'm going to go put that in. So this is something that was in the past that I'm marking, but you can also mark stuff in the future. Like I said, I'm using this as a scrapbook as well, so I kind of want to have my memories in here. Maybe I'll make a separate scrapbook in the future, but I am so busy that it's kind of great that I can make this like a 2-in-1 item. So I'm just going to go pull some more stickers that are relevant to my life, anything that will be in the past, present, or future, just anything that I want to use to decorate. Now I'm just grabbing more stickers from the front of the planner and filling them in, and then I'm also just getting this last heart sticker to just add some decoration to the planner. Next, we're going to go in with some of these supplemental stickers that I picked up from Michael's. Michael's has so many stickers for so many different occasions, seasonal, special events, just cute everyday stuff, simple stuff, decor stuff, so many things. I highly recommend going to Michael's. So now I'm going to use this sticker of a black cat just because I wanted to represent Michael, because I'm going to be adding it to my planner. I want to mark down when his birthday is, which is in November. So I'm just going to the date of his birthday and I'm going to place this sticker there. So Monday, the 6th of November of 2017, Michael will be, oh my gosh, how old will he be? He is going to be 5 years old this year. Time freaking flies. He's so cute. Anyway, so I just put a sticker there, and then I still have some space to add in anything else that I want to get done that day. Next, I have a gingerbread sticker to place, so I just go to December and I'm going to place it right there just to make it a little bit more fun. So this is more of a decorative piece, not something, you know, for me to remember. Now I'm going to go back to the list of all of the holidays at the beginning of my planner. I'm going to figure out when Easter is. So once I figure out when Easter is, I'm going to go to that date, and then I'm going to add in an Easter sticker. So Easter is going to be on April 16th. So I'm just going to pick an Easter sticker and then place it there. I really like this one Easter sticker. I didn't want to put one that said actual Easter on it just because I thought the other ones with the bunnies was just so cute. And I'm just going to place it here. Now, this does take up that entire section. But then again, I shouldn't have a big to-do list on Easter. I probably should be relaxing. That probably won't happen, but here's to hoping. Next, I'm going to go to the month of July, and we're going to decorate that with rhinestones just because July is my favorite month of the year because it is my birthday month. So on the J, I'm going to decorate it with rhinestones. Now, when I was trying to use the rhinestones, I noticed that parts of the J, that's the black writing, kind of peeked out. So I ended up going over it with whiteout later and then adding the rhinestones back on top, and this is what it looked like afterwards. Then the last sticker that I'm putting on is this heart-shaped sticker near the beginning of the planner. Step 4 is to use this glitter tape, and we're going to use this to mark where we want to mark an important day or month of the year in our planner. You can also use this glitter tape as a bookmarker. The ones that I have picked up aren't that sticky, so you can like remove them and re-put them somewhere else. So I just got this little piece, and I'm going to go to my favorite month of the year again, which is July. So I'm going to be marking July right there, so that way I can easily find the page without having to flip through. So I'm just going to go to the very beginning of where July starts and then just tape down that section. So I'm going to go on the front of the page and then pour it onto the back as well. Then once the book's closed, as you can see here, you can kind of see it peeking through, so you can quickly grab that. Also, the stickers that are a little bit thicker cause the pages not to be completely flat, so there are some like little indentations at the top, but that's okay. Step 5 is to grab your colored pencil. So I have a bunch here in this glass, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in this page right here just because I think it's asking you to fill it in. So if you find any areas in your planner that you think you could fill in with some colorful pencils, do that. So just because this planner is mostly pink and white, I wanted to go in with yellow just to make this a lot more fun, no pun intended. Then I noticed by the stickers there was this O that you could easily fill in since it's still a little bit open, so I'm going to go in with this raspberry pink colored pencil and fill in the O. Now there also might be a date in the future that you want to remember or you want to stand out on your calendar. So I'm going to July and I am going to frame my birth date. So I'm just using this raspberry pink colored pencil and I'm going to draw a box around that date just so it stands out so I can find it easier. Then I'm going to flip all the way to the back of the book, and there's this area right here that's all pink and white, so I'm going to fill in the white area. Because there's already pink and white, I am going to fill it in with the yellow. This will add more color to your planner, and also gives you something to do. Sometimes you want to pass time, you can just fill something in, so that is what I'm doing right here with this pretzel. Now I'm just going to quickly flip through everything that we put in here. So there's obviously a lot more that needs to be filled in, but I just wanted to show you some of the basics of what I've done to dress up my planner. Alright, that's how you guys can decorate a planner. I hope you guys love the I'm Very Busy planner just as much as I do. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you're going to be entering the giveaway, make sure you check everything out in the description box. It's all going to be listed at the top for you guys. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to click the subscribe button below. Click that little bell so that you are notified of when my videos have been posted. Like this video if you did like it, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye! Today's the start of my how-to series where I'm going to be doing like anything that's a how-to. I'm going to start out with job-related things, but if there's any how-tos you want me to do, or you have any suggestions, please let me know down in the comments what you would like to see. So in this video, I'm going to be doing the how to pick out the right job, and then I have another video coming up that I'm going to film after that's going to be how to prepare for a retail interview.